In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add additional context to data elements in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Workbook authors can enable the Explain Selected feature to add additional context to data elements and visualizations. This allows consumers to compare selected data points with the rest of the data in the visualization to highlight trends and contributing factors. In this scenario, I'm a supply chain analyst who would like to add contextual insights for my consumers to better understand this map visualization. I'll begin with a chart showing shipped quantity by sold to cities with data from the SCM picking and shipping subject area. I'll navigate to the Properties panel, then the Analytics tab. Here I can turn on Explain Visualization. Now I'll return to the Grammar pane to define the related columns that provide context to my consumers when they use the Explain Selected insights. I'd like the contextual insights to compare how sales and shipping data vary across different business units and item classes. I'll drag and drop those attributes onto related columns. It's important to note that I can add up to 30 columns. They can be attributes, measures, dates, and time columns. The algorithm, however, only uses those it considers eligible. When using subject areas in a workbook, I must define the related columns to generate contextual insights. When using datasets, there's a default option to leave the related columns section empty. In this case, contextual insights automatically identify the most appropriate columns to use to identify insights. Now I can right-click a data point in my chart and click Explain Selected. This opens contextual insights that compare Knoxville's data point to the rest of the data in the visualization. In the first tab, I see that just in Knoxville, there are more shipments coming in from the UK business unit than the rest of my data points. The second page compares item class to shipped quantity. And I notice an outlier where Knoxville is getting more tables than the rest of the cities in this visualization. If I needed to use this feature as an author, but hide it from the consumer view, I can navigate to the Present tab. Then, under Visualization Actions, I can deselect Explain Visualization. For now, I will keep it selected. I can click Preview to test what my consumers would see and how they can interact with this feature. They can also add these contextual insights to their watch lists for easy access from the Featured Watch List area from their homepage. Remember, when using subject areas, I must enable the Contextual Insights feature and select the desired related columns for each visualization. By enabling the Explain Visualization feature and choosing the desired related columns, my consumers can view contextual insights to better understand patterns, trends, and key drivers in a visualization. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.